This is our one-day reserve entry ticket.
So what do we do with it?
We use it to enter the Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve.
So we stick it on the dash of the car?
Yep.
And it means we won't get a fine from being in the reserve?
Yes. We've had a wonderful day at the Tidbinbilla Nature Reserve.
What was your favourite thing?
Seeing the kangaroos.
Yeah, and finding the 2 last koalas?
Yes.
So we're going to check out the visitor centre now, then have a snack and then head
home. Yeah! Remember to like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Bye!
So we're going into the Tidbinbilla Discovery Centre. This is a touch table with loads of things you can touch on it.
Yep. Looks like we have to put gel on.
We don't have to touch it, only if you wanted to. There's shingleback lizard skin, snake skin.
Snake? It's not real.
A plastic snake, crab claw. That's a real something turtle shell. Murray Cray claw, feathers, some bones, some 2 skulls there, some feathers, and some eggs. Let's go see what else there is.
Looks like
It's a play centre for the lilies.
colouring.
Colouring centre for the lilies.
Dead animals.
Do you want to take your colouring sheet home, Sarah?
What time should I do mine?
Well, you can take one of each. Yeah, you can take both if you like. Yeah, you can have that one, right? So then we have over here,
Some dead animals.
oh, they're stuffed. So we have a platypus. We have a platypus there. We have snakes, lizards, and a turtle. We have all different bottles. I'm not sure what they're for.
And chalk.
And we have some birds down here and a wombat down there.
Stuffed wombats.
What else do we have?
Chalk.
We have a
dead mouse.
It's not a dead mouse, it is a feather-tailed glider.
Dinosaurs, matching things. An eagle head.
So we have,
We've got an eagle head. Let's go inside.
so you can stand up behind it, put your head in.
Whoa, that's literally
So Ryan's an eagle.
Can you?
I'll hold your sheep for you. So Ryan, is there anything in there?
Can you see my eyes?
No, I can't see anything.
There's nothing in there from what I can see.
Okay, so that's another
I want to have a look.
play area for the kids.
Yep.
Place where you can watch information videos.
This time, they're installing a tiny
Whoa, there's something inside.
What's inside, Sarah?
There's a grass of rocks. See, look.
Yeah,
Can you do that?
sensory boundaries. Eagle eye.
Yeah. You can do whatever you want. Oh, gosh, guys.
So the eagle eye versus the human eye.
Go.
Yes, Ryan.
Look at all the ants in the wall.
There are some ants up on the wall.
With the fake.
Yes, they are fake, and they're rather large. There's a rather large bug over there. I think this is meant to be at the ground. So let's continue on.
13 weeks old.
What have we got around here? We have some signs about different animals and birds and kangaroos. We have, oh that's so sad, we have the European fox with a eastern grey Joey baby. That's so sad, look at little Joey.
Oh, it's a little kangaroo basically.
It says a common myna,
And then a cat.
and there's a feral cat.
And here we've got this.
The feral cat has eaten a bird.
This looks 3D.
It's the lyrebirds. So we'll exit out now down here.
Yeah.
What do we have?
We have a big stick.
The diamond python.
Yeah.
There must be a real python in there.
Yep. It is.
And what do we have in here?
And here we have
Shingleback lizard. It is alive.
And it's in Australia.
There you go.
It covers the whole entire ACT, nearly all of Victoria, New South Wales, and Queensland.
So in the southern states of Australia.
And next, we have a little habitat.
Northern corroboree frogs. Where are they?
They're from the Northern Territory.
Can we see them?
They blend in with stuff.
Have you seen any
I
black
can't see
dots
any in
there?
there.
That's because they blend in.
What's in the next one? The green and golden bell frogs. And I can see one already.
It's from the ACT, covers all the ACT.
So you put them in water, and then these evolve, and then become like as these.
So there's one over there.
Soon they become super
Very
dark
little.
that you'll be scared. So don't really like. Look at that.
Fun fact. So that it covers, they live in the coastline of New South Wales, and they cover
And
the
Victoria.
and the ACT.
Yeah.
So we
Eastern
have-
blue-tongued lizard. Can
Yeah.
you see it?
Yep.
Where is it? I've spotted it.
I can't.
I see it.
I can't, Mommy. Mommy, I can't see
It's
it.
down in there, right where your finger
There you
is.
are.
Yeah.
There it is. It's
It's just in there.
Oh,
It's a bit hard to see.
I can see it easily.
So yeah, so we'll exit out now.
Yep. And it looks like it's from the homestead, the wall.
It does. I think they've done it to match.
that's easy. That was quick to stop it together.
Yeah.
Now we can finally have a snack.
Yep, so we'll sit outside and have something to eat.
Yep.
Let's go.
So we have stopped our adventure for a little break.
What have you got to eat?
I've got apple.
Yeah, I've got apple and we're eating next to Koala Boy.
So you're eating your fruit break with Koala Boy, Sarah. And having a drink
Yep.
to hydrate yourselves because we've been walking all day. It's glad to see you kids are so healthy with your fruit and water.
Yeah.